Hello everyone, welcome to Hook It. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a simple crochet scrunchie. Now, this is a fun and easy project that's perfect for beginners. So with just a few materials and simple steps, you'd have a cute little scrunchie. So let's jump right into the video. For this project, you need yarn, elastic band, crochet hook, stitch marker, and scissors. To begin, start by making a slip knot. Next, insert your hook into the elastic band. Yarn over, pull through the band. Now, you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. This completes your first single crochet. You'd want to put a stitch marker there to mark your first single crochet stitch. Now, keep making single crochets until you've gone all the way around the elastic band. As you go, you might notice some gaps between the stitches, but don't worry, simply push the stitches closer together to fill the spaces. To finish the round, remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet. To begin the second round, chain 3. Then make 2 more double crochets into the same stitch. Now, if you're unfamiliar with double crochet stitches, check out my tutorial on how to double crochet. Now, move to the next stitch and make 3 double crochets. Continue making 3 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. Once you reach the end of the row, remove the stitch marker and make a slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 stitch to close the round. To move to the next row, chain up 3. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, this time in the larger spaces between previous double crochets. In the following stitch, make another double crochet. Keep repeating this pattern until you reach the end of the round. Finish by making a slip stitch to close the round. Now, let's add a border to give the scrunchie a neat finish. I'll be using a dark brown yarn for this step. Start by making a slip knot and then attach the yarn by making a single crochet into any stitch on the scrunchie. I usually begin with the first stitch in the row. Continue making single crochet stitches around the scrunchie until the border is complete. Finish by making a slip stitch to close the round. And that's it. Your crochet scrunchie is all done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more crochet projects, and leave a comment below to let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.